Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw a cute cat or a kitty. First, we are going to draw the head. The head is going to be like this. A curve and then a curve like that for the face. And then for the ear, draw a bit bended this way. Go on. Then a bit larger one on the curve inside. So go right down and attach to it. To draw the eye, draw a fat water drop like this. And then on this I do the same, but only over the same size as the other one. Then draw two curved lines and the color the two curved lines in. And then draw a circle for its nose. Down but not really down, and two lines facing southeast and southwest. And then after, draw this kind of curve and the three curves like this, and then away you feel like that. Draw this. And then a foot like this. And then draw a lump here. If you think it's a bit straight here. And from here, draw a swirly tail. Like this. And then draw whiskers. On the cheek. Yep, and so down. And then use your paintbrush ink. Then trace the lines that you did with the pencil. After you're finished, get your pink and color and make the cheeks if you like. Well done, you finished, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.